Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you the fuses for the ignition switch on Ford Fiesta MK7. And those fuses, they control quite a few things. So if you have a problem that relates to ignition switch, guys, stay with us. We'll show you the relays, the fuses, all that stuff. More than 200 videos we'll have on the vehicle, so make sure you subscribe. If you need anything, let us know. So let's start on it now. So what we'll need to do, guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it, of course. And the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So we need to squish on both sides towards each other. Okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers. Okay, and that's how you remove the lid. So you can see on the back, okay, on the back cover right here, you can see the number of the fuses. So number 7 is for ignition switch, okay, right here. So we're going to pull this one out. Carefully, we do it with 2 screwdrivers, little ones. Careful not to damage the fuses around it or break anything, just okay, like that. So our fuse is good, you can see, otherwise it will be burnt on the inside. You'll definitely be able to notice that. So this is one of the fuses, but we actually have 3 more and a relay. So let's go ahead and see where they are located. Actually, they're not in this fuse box. So the second fuse box, okay, is located behind the glove box. And the easiest way to do that is to remove the glove box. So let us show you how to do that now. You're going to grab on each side and pull towards each other, okay, until you remove that stop out of the way. You can see this is what prevents the glove box from opening. When you squish it in on this side and the other side, you can pull it out. After that, you grab the whole box and pull it straight out. Okay, just like that. You can see it has 2 hinges there, okay, and that's where the second fuse box is located. So now, once you remove the glove box, you have the second fuse box right here. So you have 2 fuses that are for the 3 fuses actually for the ignition switch in this box. So first one is number 1, okay, which is the one over here in the top right corner. Okay, so let's pull this one out. Okay, I just pulled it out. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, ours is good. I don't think I'll be able to show you on the camera. Okay, let me focus. Yep, inside it doesn't look burnt. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and install this one now. Okay, now if you have a keyless entry and a push start button, it's this fuse, okay, right here on the bottom. Alright, let me see if I can pull it without the pliers. Yep. Okay, which is number 9 right here. Ours is good as well. So this is the second fuse. That's if you have a push start button. Now the other one is, okay, this one right here for our model. Okay, this is for the instrument cluster, ignition switch, controls, all that stuff. You can see that's number 3. That's the third one actually inside, which is number 21, I believe. And the relay for the ignition, guys, if it's bad, okay, it's this huge relay, okay, right here. You can see that's how you pull it out. And those are the numbers, okay, if you need them. Ours, make sure that yours is the same before you order any. So right here. Once you get a new one, just push it in, okay, like that. This one will be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.